How to pay Apollo Group TV with Cash App. Now in this quick video, I'll show you one of the method for you to be able to pay a subscription on Apollo Group TV using the Cash App. Now, direct payment or direct currency transfer is not actually available on Cash App. So what you want to have to do is you need to use Bitcoin or BTC payment option directly from the Cash application. So first is just simply open up your Cash App. And then you just need to input the designated amount that you need to pay for your Apollo Group TV subscription. Once you successfully input the amount, on the next page you will be redirected to input the wallet address from your Apollo Group TV account. And then on the next page, you just want to have it confirmed for you to be able to make the payment confirmed. And that's it. That's how you pay Apollo Group TV using Cash App.